Uh, what did I wish I knew now than when I started out? There's a couple of answers here. The first one is that business is business. And there are a lot of people who will say that they're agile, who say that they live the Scrum values, and they don't. It's just business, and they will not honor the values in their day-to-day working. So first of all, be a grown-up as you do this. You are a professional, and it's important when we look at the Agile manifesto that the word over does not mean without. So that means that we do need processes, tools, contracts, plans. That's really important, right? That's that's really important that we approach that. Without that stuff, we're not professionals. So that's one thing I wish I knew. The second thing that would have really helped me is be human and be yourself. Because just repeating textbooks, repeating guidebooks is not very helpful. So when you bring your whole self to the role and be human and enthusiastic and listen, you will be far more effective in whatever you do. And I remember my parents always said to me, look, we really don't care what you do in your career, in your life. Just go at it and be the best you can be at it. So if you can find something that you genuinely enjoy and it resonates with you, that comes through, that shines through. So being genuine, authentic, yourself, it's more than okay. It's absolutely essential. And it's one of the key aspects of agility. It's expected. So bring yourself, but remember, this is business.